Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the driver's side mirror on your Hyundai Sonata. Start by disconnecting the battery and removing the interior trim to access the mirror bolts. Keep a container for screws and take photos of wiring for reference. Gently unplug the mirror connector and remove the 3 mounting nuts. Swap the mirror, reconnect the wiring, reinstall the panel, then test mirror function before finishing up. Start by lowering the window slightly and removing the small plastic trim pieces near the mirror area. Pry off the switch bezel and disconnect any electrical connectors, then remove the screws securing the panel. Use a trim tool to release the retaining clips around the door edge and lift the panel up to clear the door lock knob. Set the panel aside carefully and detach the speaker connector if needed before accessing the mirror mount. With the panel removed, reach behind the mirror area and hold the mirror steady from the outside. Remove the 3 nuts that secure the mirror to the door while supporting the mirror to prevent it from falling. Carefully pull the mirror out and disconnect the electrical connector. Plug the new mirror in, position it, and reinstall the nuts evenly. Tighten them securely, reattach the door panel, reconnect the battery, and test mirror adjustments and heat function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.